Hello guys, thank you all for coming to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about acid and base. Have you ever wondered what are acid and base and why the two are so chemically active? Well, today we're going to be talking all about that and a little more of salt. So please stay tuned and watch. What is an acid? And acids have been long associated with the sour taste of some fruits such as limes and lemons. Limes and lemons usually have the sour taste. And usually say you have acids in them. The taste is so bitter, it makes the food sweet. So acids also possess the ability to change liquid solution vegetable dye from blue to red. Well, acids also, if you this experiment is very easy to carry at home. If you have an acid and a base, you put a blue litmus paper in an acid, it turns to red. You put a red litmus paper in an acid, it turns to blue. So you can observe and also tell your friends about it. It's a great chemical experiment to try at home. And now we're going to talk about there are two classes of acids, namely organic acid and inorganic acid. Organic acid has to do with plants and animals and all organic matter. We mentioned earlier limes and lemons, those are organic acid because they are fruits. Fruits have to do with organic, so those are organic acids we obtain from limes and all lemons, including oranges too. While now we're talking about why inorganic acid. Well, inorganic acid occurs in form of mineral elements and organic compounds. Inorganic acid has to do with table salt, hydrochloric acid, carbon dioxide, oxide, etc. Physical properties of acid. How do you identify an acid? How do you know an acid when you see one? Well, here's some physical properties of an acid. Physical properties of an acid. Number one, acids merely have a sour taste. Number two, acids turn the blue litmus paper to red. Strong acid like hydrochloric acid, triazole carbonate 4, acids are corrosive and harmful. If it comes in contact with your skin or nose, it's very painful. Reaction with base. Acid reacts with insoluble base and alkalis to form salt and water. This reaction is also called neutralization. Uses of acid. How acids are useful chemicals and they're used pretty much anywhere. So here are some uses of acid and how we use acid in our everyday life. Acids are extremely useful chemicals which we use in many industries to make consumer chemicals such as fertilizers, detergents, and including drugs. Bases and alkalis. What is a base? Well, a base was generally described as a substance. Described as a substance or a solution. Such as a solution that turned the red litmus paper to blue and neutralized the properties of an acid in an aqueous solution. You can see the formula is written right here. Neutralization. What is neutralization? An acid turns the blue litmus paper to red. An alkali turns to red if an acid, such as hydrochloric acid, now added to an alkali, such as sodium hydrogen. They reach a state where they are neutral. Salts. In everyday language, salt refers to a common table of sodium, but scientifically, salt refers to a chemical formed by replacing the hydrogen ions in an acid with some metallic or aluminium ones. Salts are used in our everyday lives. Types of salt. Well, there are basically main types of salt. We have normal salt, acid salt, basic salt, double salt, and complex salt. Those are the ones I know, but there are other many types of salt. We also have sea salt and rock salt. Salts are used in everyday manufacturing industries, because without it, our life will be tasteless. Thanks for watching. Please like us.